Let us find all the prime numbers from 1 to 100 using a method given by a Greek mathematician called Eratosthenes. List all numbers from 1 to 100. Cross out 1 as it is not a prime number. Encircle 2. Cross out all the multiples of 2 other than 2 itself. Now you will find that the next uncrossed number is 3. Encircle 3 and cross out all the multiples of 3 other than 3 itself. The next uncrossed number is 5. Encircle 5 and cross out all the multiples of 5 other than 5 itself. The next uncrossed number is 7. Encircle 7 and cross out all the multiples of 7 other than 7 itself. All the uncrossed numbers are prime numbers. All the crossed numbers other than 1 are composite numbers. This method of isolating prime numbers is called the Sieve of Eratosthenes.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.